I'm in Fitzroy Falls. Fitzroy Falls is on the way to Kangaroo Valley. Kangaroo Valley is a famous valley in Sydney. It is around 120 kilometers from Sydney Central. If you come to Kangaroo Valley, you will get a nice scenery of valleys, green valleys. So I am at the entrance of the Fitzroy Falls. So the Fitzroy Falls is in Moreton National Park. You can see the board here. It opens at 9 a.m. and closes till 4:30. It's lots of greenery here. We can see different kinds of birds here. It's very good. So I started from Sydney around 7 o'clock and I have reached this Fitzroy Falls around by 8:30. It will take a 1.5 hours journey. Welcome to Fitzroy Falls. Fitzroy Falls is located at the northern end of Moreton National Park. It is formed where Yarunga Creek pours over the sandstone escarpment. The park is home to many unusual native plants and animals. The spectacular vistas from the many outlooks around the escarpment have made Fitzroy Falls a greater destination. You can see the parking over here. I came by car. I parked my car over there, and here there is a picnic area where we can have our food items. I had bought my breakfast, so I came here, sat here and had my breakfast. It's a pleasure morning. A cool breeze is there and very silent along with the nature. It's very good to have your breakfast. A bit of relaxation time. So I am going to start my walk towards the Fitzroy Falls. So at the entrance there is a board about Moreton National Park. So officially this park is opened on 25th July 1994. It's a bit old. So Kangaroo Valley and the surrounding areas are famous for scenic drive. There are multiple paths available. You can choose one path and you can go for a drive. It's very amazing place. Both the sides of road looks very green because of green valleys. If you are lucky enough, then you can see kangaroos as well. But when I came, I didn't see kangaroo. There is no entrance fee and all. If you have paid your parking charges, you are well and good to go inside. While entering itself, you can feel the nature here. There are a lot of trees surrounded by, and due to the chill weather over here, it's cool as well. As I say everywhere, you can see the maintenance over here. It's very good. Actually, there is no path to reach the waterfalls, so they have made a separate path. It's very good. It's very beautifully maintained. There is a small river flowing here. They have maintained it so nicely. The walking trails are very good. Any kinds of people can come over here. And the Fitzroy Falls is just 150 meters from the entrance point. I think you can see this river. It's so good. Wow. So I think this river water is flowing to the falls. So this is a board for a walking track. There are two walking tracks available, East Rim walking track and the West Rim walking track. The common wombat, bulldozer of the night. The superb Larry Bird. We saw Larry Bird at the starting of this video. When I was shooting at the entrance of this Fitzroy Falls, there was one Larry Bird. She crossed the road. It was a good moment for me. So this is the West Rim walking track. I'm going to take this West Rim walking track. Let's see how it is. So the waterfalls is here. Wow. Oh my god, this is so deep and there are a lot of rocks down. If my mobile fall down, then it's gone. I will not be able to get it back. So the water is flowing through this way, through the forest. There are a lot of trees, complete greenery. As I shown you in the last video of Blue Mountains, you can see the rocks over here. It's really super. Amazing falls. Now we are standing on the top of the waterfall. So if you take the West Rim walking trail, then you can see a different angle of this waterfall. It will be very good. See, the water is falling down and because of wind it is spreading. It's a nice feeling. It's very good. I have choose the West Rim walking track. So this is how it looks like. Complete greenery, a lot of plants, trees are available here. A complete forest feel you will get. It's amazing. One good thing I saw here is here they have mentioned whatever the plants available here, what is their speciality. Not only the plants, but also about the animals, birds available here. See, this is the another one board regarding another plant, Kochwood. There is another one, rough tree fern. So this is the rough tree fern. If you want to enjoy the nature, definitely you should come over here. It's so good. This is Sydney peppermint. I don't know where is the tree. I think the waterfall view was not that clear from that side. because we are standing on the top of the waterfall. So I am coming. This west stream walking track will take you to the other side of the waterfalls. So I think here we may get a good view. Let me see that. Let me see that. Oh, it's little risky way. It's bit slope, but it's so good. I want to get a good view of the waterfall. That's the reason I'm coming here. Wow, yep. Here it is. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, here it is. So this is the Fitzroy waterfalls. A clear view. And this is the place where I was standing before. This is the lookout point for that Fitzroy Falls. So the Fitzroy Falls is falling from 81-meter height. There is no much water available. Water is very less, a small river, but the height from which it is falling make it really good. So let us join back to the west rim walking track again. I walked a bit more forward, then I got an amazing view of the waterfall. It looks so good over here. Beautiful. It's so good. Water is falling like a milk. This is the Jersey lookout. You will get a nice view of the waterfalls from here.
Better comment than nowadays.
We go to the Twins Falls and we come back. Okay, we see. We are in Richardson Lookout. Twin Falls is not here. Wow, so nice.
కానీ
उड़ा कर
ఫాలో దట్ ఫెలో ఫాలో మహేష్
Hey. This side there is another falls. This is Twin Falls Lookout.
సూపర్ సో నైస్ దగ్గర గ్రీనరీ కూడా ఉంది వావ్ ఇంకోటి ఎక్కడ తీర్మ కాదు ఇదే ఎట్టుకుంటా
Other side.
ఆపోజిట్ ఇందాక మనం చూసింది ఇదేయా యా అది స్మాల్ వామ్మో మామ
Wow. No, nothing I can see.
then
But it's too deep and. This is the Twin Fall Lookout Point. Here we have another one waterfalls. It's a small waterfall, but it looks so nice. I think this is also falling from a height of 50 meters at least. The view is so good here. You can see the valleys. It's fully covered by trees and greeneries. So nice here. That's the end of Fitzroy Fall video. If you like my video, please share to others. Please subscribe my channel as well. Thank you. Thanks a lot for watching this.